Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your projecting to this PC is not working, or the feature is disabled in your Windows 10 PC after update. So I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So first of all, you can just go to this projecting to this PC option here and just go to the optional features here, and you just have to add a feature which is called wireless display. So you can do this here, or you can just close out of here, then go to the start menu, go to settings again, and then what you have to do, just go to the apps here, then you have to click on optional features here under the apps and features option here, click on optional features, then click on add a feature here, click on add a feature, then you have to find wireless display option here. So search for wireless display. You can see this is the option here, wireless display. So make sure you have turned on your internet and connection here. So this is going to download 1 MB here, so just choose it and click on install under there, click on uninstall, and as you can see it's downloading and also installing the wireless display option here. So after waiting some couple of minutes, as you can see it's installed here. So what you need to do is just close out the settings option here, and then you just have to go to the projecting to this PC option again. Just go to settings here, and then go to the system option here, and if you click on projecting to this PC option, and now you can see your project projecting to this PC option is available again and it's working here. So that's it guys, this is how you fix the problem of projecting to this PC option is missing or not working here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.